Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to construct a pair of congruent angles on Desmos.com. So I'm going to the Desmos.com website and I'm clicking on the geometry tool all the way at the bottom. First, let's construct the first angle, and this can really be any size you want. It's probably going to be a little bit easier if I make it kind of big-ish. So there's my first angle. You can make it obtuse, acute, right, however you want. So here we have an acute angle. And now I'm going to start my second angle just by creating one side of that angle. And now down here, I'm going to need one little line segment, about half the size of these two segments of the two angles. And this is just something I need to help me with my compass tool. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make circles. I'm going to make two congruent circles. So that's two circles the exact same size, and they are centered on the vertices of the two angles. Now, what I'm looking for on my first angle are the points where the circle intersects the two sides. So I'm going to need a segment here to mark those points of intersections off. Go back over here to my compass tool, and I'm going to make a circle that's the length of that segment there. Now, I'm not going to place here. I just want to show you something. Notice that this new circle intersects the other circle and the upper side of that angle. That's all one point. So seeing that, I know that if I can just place this circle over here, where this circle intersects the other side, the bottom side, if I can get a segment to go from this vertex up to that point of intersection, it should give me two congruent angles. So that's it. Let me just double check. I'm going to measure from one point, the vertex to the other point, and that tells me I have a 61-degree angle. If I did this correctly, point, vertex, point, I also have a 61-degree angle, and that's how you do two congruent angles on Desmos. If you want to make this look nice, you can click your select tool, and then you can kind of hide some of these things that don't quite look as nice, so you can just see your beautiful congruent angles. You can kind of let them peek out at you if you want, or you can let them hide. And that's it. If you want to, you can save this when you're done. Oh, I should have given it a nice title. This is my fourth time doing this. Congruent angles number 4. And somebody else told me, they asked me before, where do you find all those? Over here. Every time you create something, it's going to save it over here in your menu. Just make sure you're logged in so you can get to your constructions from any web browser. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.